kinderjoy. I'm gonna take the kinderjoy from the bear. Look at this. This kinderjoy is really yum. I'm gonna take the treasure in it. What is it inside? Nobody can take it. It's mine. Oh no! Look at that! Look at that! Seashell. What the? Look the instruction. There should supposed to be a duck here. Ah, there's the duck. There's the duck. You yellow gold duck. See, bear? You like her, bear? The yellow duck bear. He's so cute, bear. Kiss me, bear. Let's play with you, duck. No. No, don't throw me away. Please. Don't do this. No, you gotta like it. No. Please, no. Stop it. You gotta like it. Flying away. 1 and 2 and 3. Throw me away! Oh my God! Don't you care about me? It hurt, you know. Next time, think before you throw me away. Wah.